know what I really wish for, if I can use my magic wand, to normalize emotional support, to say
Mm,
it is okay to not be okay, and to see that, to acknowledge it, and to provide support. You know, what I often get is someone would say, you know, we've arranged counseling for this person. He's going to come and see you. Then the client makes an appointment with me. The first thing he would say is, there's nothing wrong with me. You know, I can sort this out myself, but my workplace thought I should come and see you. And that always makes me feel so, it's not there's nothing wrong with you. We just, every person gets to some stage in your life where you either in a crisis, stress was too much, you need to offload that emotional baggage or cognitive baggage even,
mm,
and make it lighter, and to normalize that, to say it is okay. You know, we often get people being sent for coaching. Executive coaching is a huge thing. We don't
mm.
do that with counseling. It's better to go
Wow.
for coaching than for counseling.
Wow.